Do you ever wonder how you could possibly create your own lettering style? Are you struggling with comparing yourself to others? I'm so glad you're here. Join me in creating your own confident lettering style with this YouTube series called 26 Ways to Letter. For letter Y, I'll be using the new Zebra Mild Liner brush pens. I really like these a lot. They have such a nice flexibility and bounce back really well. I will link to my video where I did a review of them below if you're interested in that. Before I get into the confidence pep talk for today, I just want to remind you that the practice sheet you see me using is from my workbook Fearless Lettering, where I walk you through a process of creating your own confident lettering style. I give you 26 ways to letter each letter of the alphabet. You can find that linked below along with all of my other videos in this series. For today's confidence pep talk, I want you to think about when you have ever compared yourself to someone else. Whether it's the length of hair or the seemingly effortless lettering talent that we see on someone else, I think we have all compared ourselves in one way or another. Sometimes it's something specific that we want, like those certain shoes, and other times it's a little more vague, like happiness. We see someone is happy and we wish we could be happy like them. Although, of course, we all know that we only see what people choose to show us. They may appear to be happy on the outside, but we don't know what's on the inside. When it comes to lettering, it doesn't matter how much experience you have, there will always be more to compare to. We may be better than when we started, but we didn't create that gorgeous mural that everybody loves on Instagram. Instead of getting down about these comparisons, let's flip our thinking. When we see a lettering piece that we love and we start feeling down that we didn't come up with that, maybe instead of thinking, I wish I was as good as that, we should instead think, what beautiful inspiration to help me create something that I can feel so proud of. It might be the vague comparison like happiness, where we want to feel like we created something so special that it makes people stop and look. That is one of those feelings that everyone wants to feel. We all want people to love what we're creating, right? But that person you think is feeling that, they probably aren't. Because when you're the creator, you don't see each person who is looking at your art and wishing they could make something like that. The creator is still just the same person as they were before. This is why it's so important to feel good about our lettering and art from the inside first. No matter how much other people love your work, you can still feel empty. Instead of thinking, I wish I was that good, let's be inspired to create something that makes us feel proud of our work. That's not going to look like anyone else. When we turn off social media or anywhere that we're looking at others' lettering and art and just create, we may start to see how proud we are of the work that we are creating on our own. Not because they look like anyone else's art and lettering, but because we created it. You have something so special to share. Your lettering is unique to you. Because hand lettering is done by hand, you get to decide what the end result is. We can't let the comparison monster get in the way of that. If you have any other thoughts about this, I would love to hear them in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching and subscribing. I appreciate you being here. I will see you next time.